Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a paper airplane that I designed at yesterday night, and it flies pretty far. So let's see it. So this plane that I've designed has two different versions. So let's see. The first is the dart version. I don't tell the name at the moment, but this is the dart version. And it has a locking mechanism which is hold the planes in three-dimensional shape, and it flies pretty fast but not far. Now let's see the glider version. But before I show you, take a look at Suzanne. There is a world record paper airplane designed by John Collins that broke the record in 2012, I think, when I was 2 years old. And it's easy to fold and flies absolutely amazing and far. Now, and the- and there it is, the cheetah, which is today's no. There is another world record plane. It's called the Cheetah, designed by Julian Chi, and they broke the record in 2022. And it flies 77 meters. But the today's world record plane called Firefly 5, which flies 98 meters. Now let's see my plane, the glider version, and this is my first model. I think not the best, but let's see. This is the glider version, and I love this plane. This is the dart version, and it's the same plane, but this has bigger wings, and in and same exactly the Suzanne, but this has a different folding sequences, and it has a locking mechanism, and which is hold the planes in three-dimensional shape. This is the same locking mechanism, but it's fold underneath or in. Now the plane I designed called Comet, and it's just look at this. I absolutely love this, and this is a glider, so yeah, it's pretty aerodynamic. Cool. Wait a minute. So it has a same dihedral angle by next to the Suzanne. But let's see if it flies. What the fuck is going on with this plane? I know that works because it's flying very far. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. It flies very cool. Let's see. And I will test it at the football field at my city. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and I see you the next video, which is a test that plane. So we will test this plane at the football field. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.